Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the costume effect on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your create new project from the Capcut application, select your desired video, click add from the top right corner. Then the video will be appeared on the editing timeline. Select the particular portion where you want to add the zoom effect. Okay, click delete the ending port. Then tap on the particular video. You have to find for the copy button from the bottom options. Okay, copy. Then you have to find for the overlay option. Here it is. The video will be on the second timeline. Then adjust this video at the bottom portion, but just a little away from it. Okay, like this. Okay, go to the blend option, make the opacity a little bit lower. Okay, then add the keyframe here. Okay, add another keyframe at the middle portion. Okay, and another one at the last portion. Okay, now go to the middle keyframing, then zoom it a little bit. Okay, then again go to the third keyframing and zoom it again. Okay, now you have to delete the extension here. Okay, click the split button, click the delete button. That's all. Now let's see how it looks. So this is how easily you can do it. So if you want to have a smooth transition here, you can just use a slight motion here, or you can go to the first keyframe and make it smaller if you want. Okay, this is how easily you can add costume effect on Capcut. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.